how to increase limits on Cash App. So if you want to increase your limits on Cash App, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is basically launch the Cash App application and just make sure that you're signed into your account. From here, click on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen over there. Once you go to the profile icon to come to your current limits, you'll find an option that has limits over here. So you can simply make sure to tap on that limit option. And then when you tap on the limit, you'll be able to see all your current limits. Now, if you want to increase your limit, it will ask you to verify your identity if you want to increase it. So make sure that you go ahead and then fill in the verification form by entering all of your legal details. And once you've done that, your Cash App limit will be automatically increased, and this way you'll be able to increase your Cash App limit. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.